Should you compliment on Tinder? G'day and welcome, Steve here from Dude Hack. And as I said, today we're talking about whether or not you should compliment on Tinder. Now this video is going to be part of a longer series that's talking all about the opener. There's a lot of components that do make up the opener, and it's definitely not just a one size fits all. So that's why we've made these videos, to sort of give it to you individually, let it sink in, and then we can go through everything one by one. I guess the question is, when it comes to compliments, should you give them? Should you give them in the opener, or should you even give them at all? And really the answer isn't just as simple as yes or no. Let's take a look at some of the research that points to why you shouldn't and should give compliments. First, let's talk about the bad. Physical compliments, full stop. Yes, there definitely is a spectrum when it comes to what is really bad and what's sort of okay when it comes to physical compliments. I mean, on one side you could say you have a really pretty smile, and on the other side you could say, even if you think you're being the sweetest guy ever and an absolute Casanova with complimenting their appearance in a non-forward sexual way, research shows that some of the worst words in your first line that you can say to someone to get a reply are beautiful, gorgeous, pretty, or cute. She'll either think it's just a pickup line or that you're interested in just one thing. Steer away from it. So even if you are starting off your conversation in a way that you feel is very innocent and purely just giving that person a compliment because you wanted to, she could think of it as something else. She could see it as a pickup line, and she could then go ahead and not reply. The data shows that, so steer away from it. But look, if you're like me and you do actually like giving compliments every now and again, what do you actually do? Can compliments work well on Tinder? The answer is yes. There is a reason Tinder says give compliments, because yes, they do work well. But I've just confused the hell out of you. I've told you to steer away from a certain kind of compliment, but told you again that compliments work very well. So what do you do?
What would you do?
In some of these same studies, they found that words that get a great reaction and great response and great engagement are words like awesome and fascinating when they are used in that first line. What that tells me is that giving compliments to people about their photos or interests or things they're doing is generally going to get you a lot better response and engagement than just talking about someone's tits. Compliments are good. Compliments about her appearance in the opener, no, stay away. Before we wrap this up, let's have a look at a couple of good compliment examples. If you would like anything in particular answered, pop them down in the comments and I will try to get back to every single comment that is there. Keep your eyes peeled for any future videos that are going to be added to this playlist. I'll put it in the description or pop it up somewhere here when they do come out. But until next time, guys, stay well, be safe, and I shall see you later. I'll miss you.